Hi again. Today I'm here with a special unboxing of the new Hermès Kelly Jump backpack, which just hit boutiques recently. This is part of the Spring/Summer 2024 collection, and I'm excited to share it with you. Let's get right to it. So right away, you can see the signature buckle that is common for Kelly's. Let me go ahead and untwist and take off this rather large protector here. So the first thing you probably notice about this bag is the size. So it is roughly 7.5 inches wide by 8.75 inches tall and about 3.5 inches thick. So it's not a super large bag, but it is large enough for cards, lipstick, wallet, car keys, etc. And I'll show you how it compares to an iPhone in a moment. Other thing to note is that there's a small pocket here on the side as well, again with the signature buckle. And inside is one large compartment. So this is a perfect size for AirPods, case, or something along those same size. On the back, we have a strap that's attached in the middle via a single D-ring. And obviously that strap is adjustable, as you can see here. So you can wear it as a backpack. Both straps attach the bottom sides like so. Inside of the bag, you have the Hermès Paris made in France stamp. And inside is a large compartment, and there's a small pocket in the back as well. Hopefully that comes through on the video. So this color is Celeste, light blue, kind of trying to reference the sky. It also comes as of September 2024 in many different neutral colors. So I've seen a black, brown, taupe, I believe, those sort of neutral colors, along with this light blue or Celeste, and I believe that there's a yellow color as well. So this bag isn't super large, but I have an iPhone 16 Pro right here. So for comparison, you can see that the phone is, the bag is slightly taller than the phone. I can slide the bag in and slide the phone in the bag, and you can see it will still close, but that's basically the height of the bag is the same as the iPhone 16 Pro. I do have a small plastic case on it, but that doesn't add that much height to it. So that should give you the rough dimensions. You can also put the phone lengthwise. That would be kind of stretching the bag, so that would be too wide. So if you're trying to compare the size at home, that should give you a rough idea of the size and what you can fit inside. So as I said, good for a phone, wallet, car keys, maybe some lipstick, makeup, that sort of thing. The side pocket here, you could put AirPods or maybe some a small key chain perhaps, but not too much. This is a bag that's definitely more for the looks, and only if you need to carry a small amount of things and you like this backpack style. So it definitely plays homage to the Kelly Ado backpack with a more modern twist. incorporating some of the elements from the Kelly move. So this leather is Swift calfskin. I've only seen the Kelly Jump come in Swift as of now. And I mentioned the colors are primarily neutral colors, black, browns, etc., along with this light blue and yellow color as well. So definitely a very cool bag, obviously influenced by the Kelly Ado, and excited to add it to the collection. In the US, as of September 2024, the Kelly Jump in Swift leather retails for $11,400. As always, thanks for watching. Please feel free to leave any questions or comments below, and I'll see you next time.